Dream big, work hard, and stay focused. Hi everyone, welcome to Wisdom Era Online Classes.
Another one concept here. What is another one here? The transversal cut two parallel lines, then each pair of corresponding angles are equal. So already you know that idea about the intersecting lines and the parallel lines. So the parallel lines or those lines or never meet together in any one of the point. For example, these two are called as a two lines here. Those lines are parallel to each other. And here is another one line and here is another one line. If we extended those two lines infinitely in both of the side, if you extend those lines in both sides, those lines are the never meet at any one point. These lines are called as a parallel lines. So what we are discussing today here, the one transversal cut two parallel line. So which is the line is transversal line? Here the two parallel lines L and M are the two parallel lines. When this line P, this is transversal line, when it cuts to the two parallel lines, those corresponding angles are equal. So already you have idea about the corresponding angles here. So which are the corresponding angles here? A and E are corresponding angle. Angle A is equals to the angle E. And angle B is equals to the angle F. And angle D is equals to the angle H. And angle C is equals to the angle G. Right? So what here is when the transversal line P cuts two parallel lines L and M, those corresponding angles are equal. This is one important point here. Finally, those angle A is equals to the angle E and angle B is equals to the angle F and angle D is equals to angle H and angle C is equals to angle G. This is the one important thing here. The next one is another one property, the transversal of the parallel lines. So if this line is the transversal line P, it is intersect those two lines, those two parallel lines. As we know that it forms some angles here. So what is the next property here? The next property is the transversal intersects two parallel lines. As we know that the transversal is here P, it intersects here the line L and M. It forms some angles. So the each pair of alternate interior angles. So already you have idea about the alternate interior angles. Here the property is tells, it says here the pair of alternate interior angles equal. So let's we go with this property by using some geometrical ideas what we learned already in a previous class. So we already learned the one important term, that is the vertically opposite angles are equal. I think you have idea. And also corresponding angles equal. So we have learned with some important property. The corresponding angles are equal and vertically opposite angles also equal. So by using some geometrical ideas, finally what we can conclude that the each pair of alternate interior angles here equal. So first we go with here the angle A is equals to the angle E. How I can say that? By using the before property, corresponding angles are equal. Which are the corresponding angle here? Angle A and angle E are corresponding angles and those two angles are equal. This is equation 1. The next one is, as by using the previous class, vertically opposite angles also equal. Which are the vertically opposite angles here? Angle A and angle C. Angle A is opposite to the angle C. Those are equal. And angle A is equals to the angle E. Angle A is equals to the angle C. What we can finally tell that this angle E is equals to angle C. Are you agree? This angle A is equals to the E and angle A is equals to the C. And finally we can tell this angle E is equals to C. So where is angle E? This angle E is here and angle C is here. These are interior angles. S. Angle D is interior angle. Angle F is interior angle. Which are the interior angle? Angle C, angle D, angle F, angle E. These are the interior angles. But we are discussing about alternate interior angles. So alternate interior angle DF, CE. What? Finally we conclude that the C angle is equals to E angle. So finally C angle is equals to E angle. It means that the pair of alternate interior angles equal when the transversal intersect the two parallel lines. This is another one very important property, right? So let's we go with another one important property by using the same geometrical ideas now. In previous already you have learned some properties, right? This is another one important property. What it says that here, if the two parallel lines are cut by the transversal line. So here as we know that the two parallel lines are L and M. These two parallel lines are transversal or intersect by this transversal, that is P. If what it says that each pair of interior angles on the same side. So which are the angles are interior and as well in the same side? Angle C, angle D, angle E and angle F are interior angles. And which are the angles are the same side here? The angle D and angle E are on the same side and angle C and angle F are the same side. What it says that here, those interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. What it says that supplementary? The sum of two angles are 180 degree. The sum is 180 degree. Those are supplementary angles. What it finally tell us? It is those two interior angles which are the same side, those whose sum is 180 degree. It means that angle D plus E is equals to 180 degree and angle C plus F is equals to 180 degree. So shall we go with the some geometrical ideas? Yes. So angle C plus B is equals to 180 degree because those are linear pair of the angles. The linear pair of the angles are nothing but those are supplementary angles. So which are C and B? Angle C and B, those are linear pair of the angle. So those sum is 180 degree. The next one is the angle B is equals to angle F. Why the angle B is equals to angle F? This angle B is equals to angle F because those two are corresponding angles. Here angle C plus B is equals to 180 degree and angle B is equals to angle F. Why we can finally tell that angle C plus B is equals to 180 degree because this C plus B, then C is equals to 180 minus B, right? So the C plus F is equals to 180 degree. Finally these two angles, the sum is 180 degree and these two sum as 180 degree. Finally we can tell that the angles which are the interior angles on the same side, those are supplementary. Those transversal line make those angles as the supplementary angles. So which are the angles which are the interior angles on the same side, those sum is 180 degree and those angles are supplementary angles. These all are the three important properties about this transversal of the parallel lines. This is about the lines and angles. Thank you.